Hey guys, how to use Elite singles match system efficiently. So first of all, complete your profile, answer your personality questionnaire, and set a clear preferences, and regularly review matches. Log in frequently to check new matches. Use the match suggestion. Take advantage of the daily match recommendations provided by the Elite singles, and be proactive. Do not hesitate to reach out to matches, right? And prioritize engagement. Engage consistently by responding to messages and showing interest. And use advanced search filters to refine your match search based on specific criteria. And stay open-minded. And while you may have preferences, staying open to profiles that slightly differ from your usual criteria can lead to unexpected connections. And evaluate and adjust. Periodically reassess your profile and preferences based on your experiences. Update your profile if needed to better reflect your personality or goals. So that's been another comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.